Hello friends, welcome you into YouTube channel Yashwadin Competitive Mathematics. In this video, we shall solve the question paper of MSTCT 2016 Mathematics Part 2nd. In previous video, we had solved first 25 questions. Now we shall start from the question number 26. The area of region bounded by curve y equal to 2x minus x square and x-axis is. The options are A 2 by 3 square unit, B 4 by 3 square unit, C 5 by 3 square unit, and D 8 by 3 square unit. Solution. Points of intersection of y equal to 2x minus x square and x-axis. We know that equation of x-axis is y equal to 0, and therefore 0 equal to 2x minus x square. Therefore x into 2 minus x equal to 0. Therefore values of x are 0 and 2. Thus we get 2 points, x equal to 0, y equal to 0, that is 0 0, and second point 2 0. Hence the point of intersections are 0 0 and 2 0. Hence the required area is A equal to integration 0 to 2 of 2x minus x square dx, that is 2 times integral 0 to 2 x dx minus integral 0 to 2 x square dx, that is 2 into x square by 2 from 0 to 2 minus x cube by 3 from 0 to 2, that is x square minus x cube by 3 from 0 to 2, which is nothing but 4 minus 8 by 3, that is 4 by 3 square unit, and hence correct option is B. Question 27. If integration of fx divided by log of sin x dx is equal to log of sin x plus c, then fx is. Options are A cot x, B tan x, C sec x, D cosec x. Solution. It is given that integration of fx divided by log of sin x dx equal to log of sin x plus c. Differentiating both sides of this equation with respect to x, we get fx divided by log of sin x equal to d by dx of log of sin x plus c. Thus we get fx divided by log of sin x equal to 1 by log of sin x into 1 by sin x into cos x, which is cot x divided by log of sin x. Therefore fx equal to cot x, and hence correct option is A. Question 28. If A and B are foot of perpendicular drawn from point Q ABC to the planes YZ and ZX respectively, then the equation of plane through the points A, B and O is. Options are A x by A plus y by B minus z by c equal to 0, B x by A minus y by B plus z by c equal to 0, C x by A minus y by B minus z by c equal to 0, D x by A plus y by B plus z by c equal to 0. Solution. A and B are foot of perpendiculars of the point A, B, C on the planes y, z and zx respectively. Therefore, point A is 0, B, C and point B is A, 0, C. Now we have to find equation of plane passing through the point A, 0, B, C, B, A, 0, C and O, 0, 0, 0. Therefore, A bar equal to Bj plus Ck, B bar equal to Ai plus Ck and O bar equal to 0. Hence required vector equation of the plane is R dot AB cross AO is equal to A dot AB cross AO. Here AB is B minus A. AB bar equal to B bar minus A bar. That is Ai plus Ck minus Bj plus Ck, which is nothing but Ai minus Bj. AO bar equal to minus A bar, that is minus Bj minus Ck, and hence AB cross AO is equal to determinant Ijk A minus B 0, 0 minus B C minus C, which is nothing but BCI plus ACJ minus ABK, and hence A dot AB cross AO equal to Bj plus Ck dot BCI plus ACJ minus ABK which is ABC minus ABC equal to 0, and hence required equation is R dot BCI plus ACJ minus ABK equal to 0. If R dot equal to XI plus YJ plus ZK, then the equation of plane will be XI plus YJ plus ZK dot BCI plus ACJ minus ABK, and therefore BCX plus ACY minus ABZ equal to 0 by taking the dot product of two vectors. Dividing throughout by ABC, we get x by A plus y by B minus z by C equal to 0, and hence correct option is A. Question 29. If A bar equal to I plus j minus 2k, B bar equal to 2i minus j plus k, and C bar equal to 3i minus k, and C bar equal to ma plus nb, then m plus n is, options are A 0, B 1, C 2, D minus 1. Here from the given data we can write 3i minus k equal to m times I plus j minus 2k plus n times 2i minus j plus k, which is equal to m plus 2ni plus m minus nj plus n minus 2mk. Comparing this, we get m plus 2n equal to 3, m minus n equal to 0, n minus 2m equal to minus 1. And solving these equations, we get m equal to 1, n equal to 1. Therefore, m plus n equal to 2. Correct option is C. Question 30. Integration 0 to pi by 2 of nth root of sec x divided by nth root of sec x plus nth root of cosec x dx is, options are A pi by 2, B pi by 3, C pi by 4, D pi by 6. Solution. Let the given integral is I, that is I equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 nth root of sec x divided by nth root of sec x plus nth root of cosec x dx. Therefore, I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 nth root of sec of pi by 2 minus x divided by nth root of sec of pi by 2 minus x plus nth root of cosec of pi by 2 minus x dx, which is integral 0 to pi by 2 nth root of cosec x divided by nth root of cosec x plus nth root of sec x dx, where sec of pi by 2 minus x equal to cosec x and cosec of pi by 2 minus x equal to sec x. Adding these equations 1 and 2, we get 2i equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 nth root of cosec x plus nth root of sec x divided by nth root of cosec x plus nth root of sec x dx, that is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 dx equal to x from 0 to pi by 2, which is nothing but pi by 2, and therefore I equal to pi by 4, and hence correct option is C. Question 31. If the PDF of a random variable x is given as when x is equal to minus 2, probability is 0.2, for x equal to minus 1, probability is 0.3, for x equal to 0, probability is 0.15, probability of x equal to 1 is 0.025, and probability of 2 is 0.1. Find f of 0. F of 0 is probability of x less than 0, B probability of x greater than 0, C 1 minus probability of x greater than 0, and D 1 minus probability of x less than 0. Solution. F of 0 equal to probability of x less than or equal to 0 is equal to probability of x equal to minus 2 plus probability of x equal to minus 1 plus probability of x equal to 0. That is nothing but 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.15, which is nothing but 0.65. And probability of x greater than 0 is probability of x equal to 1, probability of x equal to 2, which is 0.25 plus 0.1 is 0.35. Therefore, f of 0 is nothing but 1 minus probability of x greater than 0, and hence correct option is C. Question 32. The particular solution of the differential equation y into 1 plus log of x dx by dy minus x log x equal to 0 when x equal to e and y equal to e square is. Options are y equal to ex log x, b ey equal to x log x, c xy equal to e log x, and d y log x equal to ex. Solution: we have y into 1 plus log x dx by dy minus x log x equal to 0. Therefore, y into 1 plus log of x dx by dy equal to x log x. And hence, 1 plus log x divided by x log x dx equal to dy by y. Integrating both sides of this equation, we get integration of 1 plus log of x divided by x log x dx equal to dy by y. In LHS, we put x log x equal to t. Therefore, 1 plus log x dx is nothing but dt. Therefore, the above integration becomes integration of dt by t equal to integration of dy by y. That is nothing but log of t equal to log of y plus log of c. And hence, log of x log x equal to log of y into c. And therefore, x log x equal to yc. When x equal to e, y equal to e square, substituting these values, we get e log e equal to e square into c, implies that e equal to e square into c, therefore c equal to 1 by e, and therefore y equal to ex log x, and hence correct option is A. Question 33. M and N are the midpoints of diagonals AC and BD respectively of a quadrilateral ABCD. Then vector AB plus AD plus CB plus CD is. Options are A vector 2mn, B vector 2nm, C vector 4mn, and D vector 4nm. Solution: let us draw the figure, and M and N are midpoints of AC and BD. Therefore, AB plus AD plus CB plus CD is. AB is AM plus MN plus NB plus AD AM plus MN plus ND plus CB CM plus MN plus NB and CD CM plus MN plus ND, which is nothing but 2AM plus 4MN plus 2NB plus 2ND plus 2CM, which is nothing but 4MN plus 2 times AM plus CM plus NB plus ND. That is nothing but 4MN plus 2 times AM minus MC plus NB minus DN. As M and N are midpoints of AC and BD, we have AM equal to MC, NB equal to DN, and hence the right bracket becomes 0, and hence AB bar plus AD bar plus CB bar plus CD bar is equal to 4MN bar, and hence correct option is C. Question 34. If sin x is the integrating factor of the linear differential equation dy by dx plus py equal to q, then P is. Options are A log of sin x, B cos x, C tan x, D cot x. Solution: it is given that integrating factor of the given equation is sin x. Therefore, e raised to integration of p dx equal to sin x. Therefore, integration of p dx equal to log of sin x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get p equal to d by dx of log of sin x equal to 1 by sin x into cos x equal to cot x. Hence, correct option is D. Question 35. Which of the following equations does not represent a pair of line? A x square minus x equal to 0, B xy minus x equal to 0, C y square minus x plus 1 equal to 0, D xy plus x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Solution: by options we can say that y square minus x plus 1 equal to 0, that is nothing but y square equal to x minus 1, which is parabola, and rest of all are pair of lines. They can be factorized into two linear factors, and hence correct option is C. Question 36. Probability of guessing correctly at least 7 out of 10 answer in a true or false test is. Options are A 11 by 64, B 11 by 32, C 11 by 16, D 27 by 32. Solution. Let P be the probability of guessing correctly in a true or false test. Therefore, probability P equal to 1 by 2. Q is nothing but 1 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2. Thus, we get P equal to 1 by 2, Q equal to 1 by 2. As there are 10 answers, N equal to 10. And probability of x greater than or equal to 7 is nothing but probability of x equal to 7 plus probability of x equal to 8 plus probability of x equal to 9 plus probability of x equal to 10, which is nothing but 10c7 into 1 by 2 raised to 7 into 1 by 2 raised to 3 plus 10c8 into 1 by 2 raised to 8 into 1 by 2 raised to 2 plus 10c9 into 1 by 2 raised to 9 into 1 by 2 raised to 1 plus 10c10 1 by 2 raised to 10 into 1 by 2 raised to 0, which is nothing but 10c7 plus 10c8 plus 10c9 plus 10c10 into 1 by 2 raised to 10, that is 120 plus 45 plus 10 plus 1 into 1 by 1024 equal to 176 by 1024, which is nothing but 11 by 64, and hence correct option is A. Question 34.7. The principal solution of the equation sin 2x plus cos 2x equal to 0, where x lies between pi to 2 pi are. Options are 7 pi by 8, 11 pi by 8, B 9 pi by 8, 13 pi by 8, C 11 pi by 8, 15 pi by 8, D 15 pi by 8, 19 pi by 8. Solution. We have sin 2x plus cos 2x equal to 0. Multiplying by 1 by root 2, we get sin 2x into 1 by root 2 plus cos 2x into 1 by root 2 equal to 0. That is nothing but sin 2x into cos pi by 4, because cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2, plus cos 2x into sin pi by 4. Similarly, sin pi by 4 equal to 1 by root 2. Thus, we get sin 2x plus sin 2x into cos pi by 4 plus cos 2x into sin pi by 4 equal to 0. And that is nothing but sin of pi by 4 plus 2x equal to 0. Here we have used sin a into cos b plus cos a into sin b equal to sin of a plus b. Therefore, pi by 4 plus 2x equal to n pi, and hence 2x equal to n pi minus pi by 4, that is pi into 4n minus 1 by 4. Therefore, x equal to 11 pi by 8, 15 pi by 8 by taking n equal to 3, 4. Therefore, correct option is C. Question 38. If the line joining A and B having position vectors 6a minus 4b plus 2c and 4c minus 4c respectively, and the line joining the points C and D having the position vectors minus a minus 2b minus 3c and a plus 2b minus 5c intersect, then their point of intersection is. Options are A, B, B, C, C, D and D, A. Vector equation of the line passing through AB is r bar equal to 6a minus 4b plus 4c plus lambda times minus 4c minus 6a minus 4b plus 4c, which is nothing but 6a minus 4b plus 4c plus lambda times minus 6a plus 4b minus 8c. Therefore, xa plus yb plus zc equal to 6 minus 6 lambda a plus minus 4 plus 4 lambda b plus 4 minus 8 lambda c. Thus, we get x equal to 6 minus 6 lambda, y equal to minus 4 plus 4 lambda, and z equal to 4 minus 8 lambda. Thus, the coordinates of any point on the line AB are 6 minus 6 lambda, minus 4 plus 4 lambda, 4 minus 8 lambda. Similarly, vector equation of the line passing through C and D is r bar equal to minus a minus 2b minus 3c plus mu times a plus 2b minus 5c minus a minus 2b minus 3c. Thus, xa plus yb plus zc equal to minus 1 plus 2 mu a plus minus 2 plus 4 mu b plus minus 3 minus 2 mu c. Thus, the coordinates of any point on line CD are minus 1 plus 2 mu, minus 2 plus 4 mu, and minus 3 minus 2 mu. It is given that the lines AB and CD intersect. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, we can write 6 lambda plus 2 mu equal to 7, 4 lambda minus 4 mu equal to 2, and 8 lambda minus 2 mu equal to 7. From these equations, we get lambda equal to 1, mu equal to 1 by 2. Hence, the point of intersection is minus 1 plus 2 mu, minus 2 plus 4 mu, minus 3 minus 2 mu, that is 0, 0, minus 4, which is point B, and hence correct option is A. Question 39. If A is equal to matrix 2, 2, minus 3, 2, B is a matrix 0, minus 1, 1, 0, then B inverse A inverse inverse is, options are A matrix 2 minus 2, 2, 3, B matrix 2, 2, minus 2, 3, C matrix 2 minus 3, 0, 2, D matrix 1 minus 1 minus 2, 3. Solution. B inverse A inverse inverse is nothing but AB by reversal law. That is AB equal to 2 in matrix 2, 2 minus 3, 2 multiplied by matrix 0 minus 1, 1, 0. By multiplication we get the matrix 2 minus 2, 2, 3. Hence correct option is A. Question 40. If P is every square is rectangle and Q is every rhombus is a kite, then truth values of P implies Q and P if and only if Q are, options are A F F, B T F, C F T, D T T. Solution. P is every square is rectangle, truth value of the statement is T. Q is every rhombus is a kite, truth value of the statement is also T. Therefore, P implies Q is T implies T, Q is T. And P if and only if Q is T if and only if T, that gives T. And hence truth value is T, T, which is nothing but D. Question 41. If G, G bar, H, H bar and C, C bar are centroid, orthocenter and circumcenter of a triangle, and XC bar plus YH bar plus ZG bar equal to 0, then XYZ is, options are A 1, 1 minus 2, B 2, 1 minus 3, C 1, 1, 3 minus 4, C 1, 3 minus 4, D 2, 3 minus 5. Solution. We know that centroid, orthocenter and circumcenter of a triangle are collinear, and distance between centroid and orthocenter is twice the distance between centroid and circumcenter. Let H is orthocenter, G is a centroid, C is a circumcenter. Then GH equal to 2GC. Thus G divides the segment HC in the ratio 2:1. Therefore G bar equal to 2C plus H divided by 3 by centroid formula. Therefore 3G equal to 2C plus H multiplying by 3. Therefore 2C plus H minus 3G equal to 0. Comparing, we get X equal to 2, Y equal to 1, Z equal to minus 3, and hence correct option is B. Question 42. Which of the following quantified statement is true? A. The square of every real number is positive. B. There exists a real number whose square is negative. C. There exists a real number whose square is not positive. D. Every real number is rational. Solution. By the fundamental concept about real numbers, we find that only option A is correct, that is, the square of every real number is positive, and hence correct option is A. Question 43. The general solution of the equation tan square x equal to 1 is, options are A n pi plus pi by 4, B n pi minus pi by 4, C n pi plus minus pi by 4, D 2n pi plus minus pi by 4. Solution. Tan square equal to 1. So tan square minus 1 equal to 0, which gives tan x equal to 1 or tan x equal to minus 1. Therefore x equal to n pi plus minus pi by 4. Hence correct option is C. Question 44. The shaded part of the given figure indicates the feasible region. Then the constraints are x, y greater than equal to 0, x plus y greater than equal to 0, x greater than equal to 5, y less than equal to 3. B. X, y greater than equal to 0, x minus y greater than equal to 0, x less than equal to 5, y less than equal to 3. C. X, y greater than equal to 0, x minus y greater than equal to 0, x less than equal to 5, y less than equal to 3. D. xy greater than equal to 0, x minus y less than equal to 0, x less than equal to 5, y less than equal to 3. Solution. By the fundamental concept of linear programming problem, the inequalities of the feasible region are as follows. Line OC, that is x equal to y, shows x minus y greater than equal to 0. Line AB, x equal to 5, shows x less than equal to 5. Line BC, y equal to 3, shows y less than equal to 3. Feasible region is in first quadrant, that is x greater than 0, y greater than equal to 0, and hence correct option is B. Question 45. Direction ratios of a line which is perpendicular to the lines with direction ratios -1, 1, 2 and 0, 2, 1 are. Options are A 1, 1, 2, B 2, -1, 2, C -2, 1, 2, D 2, 1, -2. Solution. Let the direction ratios of the required line be A, B, C. So -1A plus 2B plus 2C equal to 0. 0A plus 2B plus 1C equal to 0. Therefore, solving these two equations, we get A divided by determinant of 2, 2, 2 by 1 equal to minus B divided by determinant -1, 2, 0, 1 equal to C divided by determinant -1, 2, 0, 2 by using Cramer's rule. Therefore, A divided by 2 equal to B divided by -1 equal to C divided by 2, and hence correct option is B. Question 46. If a matrix A equal to determinant 1, 2, 4, 3 such that AX equal to I, then X equal to, options are A 1 by 5 matrix 1, 3, 2, -1, B 1 by 5 matrix 4, 2, 4, -1, C 1 by 5 matrix -3, 2, 4, -1, D 1 by 5 matrix -1, 2, -1, 4. Given that AX equal to I, this implies that multiplying both sides by A inverse, we get A inverse AX equal to A inverse into I. Therefore, IX equal to A inverse, and hence X equal to A inverse. We have A equal to 1, 2, 4, 3. Implies that determinant of A equal to 3 minus 8 equal to -5, and adjoint of A equal to 3 matrix 3 -2 -4 1. Therefore, X equal to A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A, which is 1 by -5 into 3 -2 -4 1. This implies that X equal to A inverse is nothing but 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A, equal to 1 by -5 into matrix 3 -2 -4 1. This implies that 1 by 5 into matrix -3 to 4 -1, and hence correct option is C. Question 47. If A bar equal to I plus J plus K, B bar equal to 2I plus lambda J plus K, C bar equal to I minus J plus 4K, and A dot B cross C equal to 10, then lambda is. Options are A 6, B 7, C 9, D 10. Solution. A dot B cross C equal to determine 1, 1, 1, 2 lambda 1, 1 minus 1 4. Evaluating, we get 1 into 4 lambda plus 1 minus 1 into 8 minus 1 plus 1 into -2 minus lambda, which is given as 10, and from this we get 3 lambda equal to 18, and therefore lambda equal to 6. Hence correct option is A. Dear friends, subscribe the channel Eshwadin Competitive Mathematics for getting more updates. If you like video, then press like button. Don't forget to press bell icon for getting updates of the channel. Share this video with your friends so that many students can watch this video and get benefit. Question 48. If a random variable x is binomial variable with n equal to 5 and p equal to 1 by 3, then probability of x lying between 2 to 4 is. Options are A 80 by 243, B 40 by 243, C 40 by 343, and D 80 by 343. Solution. We have n equal to 5, p equal to 1 by 3. As x is a binomial variable with n equal to 5 and p equal to 1 by 3. This implies that q equal to 1 minus p, and that is q equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, probability of 2 less than x less than 4 is nothing but probability at x equal to 3, which is 5c3 into 1 by 3 cube plus 2 by 3 square, which is nothing but 5 into 4 by 2 into 1 by 27 into 4 by 9, that is 40 by 243, and hence correct option is B. Question 49. The objective function z equal to x1 plus x2 subject to x1 plus x2 less than equal to 10 minus 2x1 plus 3x2 less than equal to 15, x1 less than equal to 6 and x1 x2 greater than equal to 0 has a maximum value of the feasible region. Options are at only one point, B at only 2 points, C at every point of the segment joining the 2 points, D at every point of the line joining the 2 points. Solution. First, we draw the lines A, B, C, D, E, F, whose equations are x1 plus x2 equal to 10, minus 2x1 plus 3x2 equal to 15, and x1 equal to 16 respectively. Then, equation of line AB is x1 plus x2 equal to 10, and point on x-axis on this line is A 10 0, and point on y-axis is B 0 10, and they lies on same side of the both the point lies on same side of the origin. Equation of line CD is minus 2x1 plus 3x2 equal to 15. Point on this line on x-axis is C equal to minus 7.50, and point on y-axis is D 0.05. Similar, the both points C and D are lies on same side of the origin. Line EF has equation x1 equal to 6, and the point on x-axis is 6 0. There is no point on y-axis, and this point lies on same side of the origin. The figure is as follows. Point of intersection of AB and CD is 3 7. Point of intersection of AB and EF is Q 6 4. Point of intersection of CD and EF is R 6 9. The feasible region is shown in shaded figure. The vertices of feasible region are 0 0, D 0 5, P 3 7, Q 6 0, and E 6 0. The values of the objective function z equal to x1 plus x2 at these vertices are as z at 0 is 0, z at D is 5, z at P is 10, z at Q is 10, z at E is 6, z has maximum values at P and Q, and hence z has maximum value at every point of the segment joining P and Q. Hence correct option is C. Question 50. The symbolic form of the given switching circuit is equivalent to, where S1 is assumed as P and S2 is assumed as Q. Options are A P or minus Q, B P and minus Q, C P if and leave Q, and D negation of P if and leave Q. Solution. Here S1 is equivalent to P and S2 is equivalent to Q. The symbolic form of the given switching circuit is P and minus Q, or negation of P and Q, which is equivalent to negation of P if and only if Q by the fundamental concept, and hence correct option is D. To get updates of new upcoming videos uploaded by this channel, subscribe the channel Yashodhin Competitive Mathematics. Thank you.